From the moment we wake up to the sounds that put us to sleep, technology seems to be a critical part of almost every moment of our lives. We see that more than ever at work now. With the digital transformation of even the most conservative of industries, tech is lowering the cost of doing business, it's making us more productive and efficient, and it's giving us answers to questions that used to take us hours or days to find. My name's Ryan Hunt. I'm a senior consultant at Acumen Learning, and we've had the opportunity to work with the world's leading tech companies, as well as many outstanding IT groups at companies that lead their industries as well. At Acumen Learning, we help our clients achieve the results they want through our business acumen training. Now, you might ask why business acumen is important to the tech world. Well, simply put, tech pervades just about every decision we make. If you don't know your company's strategy, how do you know the investment you're about to make is going to fill your current and future needs? What's the ROI? How will it be funded? Is it CapEx or OpEx? A combination of both? Should we develop it in-house or buy it? And when you say buy it, should we use a SaaS solution instead? Now, contributors and leaders with good business acumen know how to answer those questions. They know how to make decisions that align with the company's vision and contribute to the financial success. Our job here at Acumen Learning is to help you achieve the results you want by empowering your people to make better, faster, and stronger decisions. Decisions that align with your strategy and financial goals. Folks who attend our workshops understand the language of business. They're better equipped to align their efforts with the direction of the company. They know your key metrics, and most of all, they know how to use all of that to take action that ultimately contributes to the financial success of your company.